Here in my 2005 Porsche Boxster S, and just working on something simple today. Got the Porsche CDR24 radio, and I'm not sure if other folks are going through the same issue. I haven't really looked it up, but these buttons here, when I bought this Porsche used, they're actually very sticky, grimy, and so what I wanted to do is replace these. I've already replaced the one here on the left, which is fairly easy to do, so I'm just going to show you how to take these off and put on a new one, and it's super simple. We'll just go right into it now before I go over some other things that I found out after I purchased the buttons. And anyways, yeah, we'll go ahead and get right into it. So basically all you want to do is, if you have fingernails or something like that, you're able to kind of just get in there and give it a pull until it just comes right off. And you'll see it's just kind of like a spring here, and I'll show you this how nasty and gooey and gunky this has become. And yeah, you're actually able to clean this off, but didn't know that until afterwards, and I had already purchased the new ones. So I'll go ahead now and show you how to place the new one on here. It's basically just in reverse. You just plug it right back in. You don't have to be afraid of breaking anything when taking on and off these buttons. And yeah, here we go. So yeah, this is a super simple replacement of the knob. Once you've gotten this out, just go right there down the middle and push it in, and then one more little push, and that's fully in there and fully functional, and that's it. You're pretty much done. Now you got two radio knobs looking brand new, genuine. Just in case you're wondering, here's the parts. Quantity 1 Porsche genuine part. So you're getting the real deal here. Here you are. As you can see, this one is pretty gunky, pretty gross looking compared to the other one. And yeah, see if I can get a better shot up close. Explaining how this cleaning procedure goes. She's the one that came up with this idea on cleaning these, and basically all you're going to be using is the dish detergent, some oil. You're going to be using sodium bicarb, basically baking soda. Those are the 3 ingredients you're going to be using, and it's all things that you probably already have at home. We didn't have to go out and buy any of this, but if you do have to buy it, you can get on Amazon, get at grocery store and whatnot. So yeah, she'll explain to you now how to clean it.
So you put a little bit of oil on here. This is like extra virgin oil, but you can use any type of oil. Spread it on, just clean it for a little bit. Scrub all the excess stuff out. You don't have to do a good scrub, but just get the oil in there. Scratch it off, yeah, the best you can. There you go. See how it's starting to come off? Then baking soda. Add a little bit of oil on here, like that. Add, I don't know, maybe like this much of baking soda when it gets thick. Baking soda. And for baking soda, helps with removing stains and stuff. And then mix it with soap so that it helps take the oil out easier later. Then the consistency has to be kind of like gooey a little bit and thick. Rub this in good, like that. And maybe let it sit for about an hour. Just like this, so make sure it's covered good, and just let it sit for an hour. Okay, so about an hour, and you see how you can see all this gunk come out? So yeah, maybe it's ready to be washed. If not, soak it some more, and we're gonna wash it and see what happens. And there you go, it's a pretty new knob. Yep, that looks good. Just clean it up a little bit. There you go, brand new.
Had I known that you could clean them beforehand, I probably wouldn't have bought them, but that's fine. At least now I have a used pair that I could either sell or keep just in case something ever happens to these here and I have to replace them as well. I can't imagine that having the car in the garage consistently and just there's really no other reason than it maybe being exposed to the sun, or I don't know how the other ones got as grimy as they did, but there should be no reason for them to go bad again. So the other knobs, yeah, maybe just sell them for a discounted price or something like that on eBay for someone who doesn't want to pay the $30 each like I did for these. But whatever, I'm happy with them. You gotta treat your Porsche good, in my opinion. Give it some nice love. And yeah, if you have any questions, please go ahead, comment below, give me a like and a sub. I'll be trying to do more videos on the Porsche as things come up. Some suggestions on what you want to see, please feel free to say so. And yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.